Hey guys, my name's Bree and I'm your choreographer for this year's Food Truck Party VBS. Right now we're about to learn the dance to Feed My Sheep. Just remember to mirror me as you watch this video. That means if I raise my left hand, you raise your right hand. If I raise my right foot, you raise your left foot. Let's go ahead and jump right into the song.
Leave this